Hello friends, welcome to our channel with lots and lots of videos related to IT companies and careers to get all the latest update in information technology. Friends, whether you are a fresher or a successful engineer, there are some questions that may confuse you many times, like how Indian IT is performing, IT as a career, and what are new demanding jobs. In this video, we will talk about these points. Let's talk about the Indian IT market over the last years. As we can see in this graph, the Indian IT industry performs quite well in the last decade. In 2016, we have achieved revenue of $143 billion, where in 2017 we have achieved revenue of $154 billion, and likewise in 2018 we have reached to $167 billion revenue. Out of 167 billion, 126 billion comes from export and 41 billion come from domestic. Now you are wondering what's the difference between export and domestic. It's okay, I will tell you. Domestic is IT revenue earned from within country and export is IT revenue earned from other countries. So we can clearly say that Indian IT economy has significant performance in the world. And now you may be wondering what will be the performance in 2019. So here is the good news. According to an article published by NASSCOM, this year it will grow around 7 to 9% and our IT revenues will be worth $187 billion from $167 billion. Now, let's see the sector-wise and the geographical breakup of Indian IT revenue for year 2018. Here we can see $86 billion revenue comes from IT services, which includes system, network, storage, and application-related profiles. $32 billion comes from business process management, which related to IT business improvement and optimization tasks. $33 billion comes from software products and engineering category, which includes software engineer, developer, and programmer, and subsequently $15.4 billion comes from hardware. In the second graph, we can see the United States, United Kingdom, and Europe are the major contributors, and this is because Indian IT services are 5 to 6 times comparatively reasonable. So friends, let's move to our third point. What are the new demanding jobs in the future? There is the report named Future of Jobs in India, a 2022 perspective, jointly published by EY, NASSCOM, and FICCI. It indicates what would be the job scenario in 2022. According to this report, some 10 to 20% of people would be deployed in the jobs that do not exist today but may exist in the future. Similarly, 60 to 65% of people would be deployed in the jobs that have completely changed the skill set, and 20 to 35% will face an existential threat to their job. Along with that, you can also see new job roles in this report, like data scientist, cloud architect, 3D designer, app developer, and similar roles will be quite demanding in the future. So now you have come to understand that the Indian IT industry is doing well and which profiles you should choose in your IT career. Guys, there is a quote, the weak die out and the strong will survive and will live on forever. So, if you want to survive in IT, then be strong and keep learning. So friends, hopefully you have got the good information from this video, and for more such videos, please subscribe our channel IT Companies and Careers. Also, share, like, comment and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn.